Everything is set, the scenario, the voice, the branding, now the payoff. In this final tutorial, I press render and the kit turns all of it into a finished vertical video. When I hit render, the kit shows me exactly what it is about to do before it starts. Synthesize the voice, render the frames, generate any animated clips, and compose the final video. On a re-render, it only redoes the scenes that changed, so it stays fast. I confirm, and it works through the stages one by one. This runs entirely on your machine. No upload, no queue, no waiting on someone else's server. You watch the progress right here. And here is the result, a finished vertical reel, narrated, captioned, branded, ready to post. This is a real MP4 file on your disk, yours to upload anywhere. Every render is saved in the history below. You can play any past reel, load its scenario straight back into the editor, tweak a line, and re-render. Nothing is ever thrown away. And that is the whole kit, from a raw article to a finished reel, all on your own machine. Thanks for following the series. Now go turn your posts into reels.